Hello, I am Mr. Mango. Welcome to my classroom. Have you ever played Plant vs. Zombies? I bet you should be having fun planting Chomper in the game. It defends your yard by eating zombies. Yet in reality, most of the plants don't eat. So, where do they get their food? The answer is photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? From the word itself, you can cut it by half. Photo and synthesis. Photo here refers to sunlight, and synthesis refers to production of chemical compounds by reaction from simpler materials. To be simple, photosynthesis is a chemical process where green plants produce food and oxygen gas by absorbing light energy from sunlight. There are a few conditions to be met for photosynthesis to take place. Firstly, the plant must be exposed to adequate sunlight. Secondly, the plant must have chlorophyll, which is the green pigment that absorbs light energy and makes plant green in color. Chlorophyll is found within the chloroplasts in the green leaves. Thirdly, the plant must take in carbon dioxide gas and water vapor in the air. With all these criteria met, carbon dioxide and water will be converted to glucose and oxygen. As humans, when we eat too much foods and our bodies are not consuming much energy, the extra energy will be stored as fats. The same goes to plant. Excess glucose produced during photosynthesis will be converted into starch for storage. Why they don't just store as glucose and need to convert into starch? It is because starch is insoluble, so it is easy to be stored in the plants. Since we know that plant produces food through photosynthesis and store extra glucose as starch, so we can actually prove that the plant has carried out photosynthesis by testing the presence of starch. Before carry out test for starch under certain condition, do remember to first test the plant to use up the existing starch. To test for starch, first dip the leaf in boiling water to soften it, then boil in ethanol to remove the chlorophyll. After these two processes, test with iodine solution. If starch is present, color of iodine solution will change from brown to blue-black. Today, we have learned about photosynthesis, the conditions required for it to take place, and the way to test for the presence of starch. Science is a lifetime study, so ride with us throughout the journey. Thank you, class.